name is Kavitha. I'm from Department of Labour Sarawak. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, before the training, I'm so excited to attend this training because I really need this Excel training. There's a testimony that I want to share is there's a one report which I did every quarterly, and to remove the blank rows between the pages, because it's Excel is actually is generated from the PDF format. And convert it into Excel. And when you convert it, we have many blank rows. So it takes about 10 hours just to delete the blank rows between the pages. So when I attended this course, I learned about Power Query. So from Power Query, I can remove the blank rows within 5 minutes out of 10 hours. So that's it. Thank you.